Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, excuse the cold. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the things that I reckon are good for a good alone time, solitude, and self-discovery. I hope you enjoy it, and please comment down below what you do for your alone time. The poem is by Mahnoor Kamran, titled Solitude. Haven of saints, a divine harbinger of peace. The calm in storms, thunderstorm that quiets. The rosebud that blooms, birthing beauty, a tender-hearted soul, yet thorny too. Its fate unfolds. A discovery of one's inner soul under the veil of noise. Exploration of thoughtful creation. In isolation and poise, a journey to self-esteem. Much needed hence preach, we are all belittled by life and need solitude to love ourselves.